Looking for top-notch protection in your workspace? They've got a range of welding curtains designed to shield passerby from harmful radiation, ensuring safety without compromising visibility. You know that welding and grinding can produce intense arcs and sparks that can harm the naked eye. These 14mm transparent vinyl welding curtains offer the perfect balance, dispersing light from the arc while allowing light back into the workspace. Plus, all their curtains meet CE EN1598-2011 standards, guaranteeing transparency, reflectance, infrared and ultraviolet protection, and flame resistance. Curtain panels, frames, and casters are all sold separately. They're available in sizes 6x6 or what we bought, which was a 6x8, and in vibrant colors like transparent orange, green, yellow, and blue. Zap straps are included to easily connect the curtain to the frame. Now, maybe you need mobility. No problem. These curtains are as versatile as they are protective. The entire setup can be disassembled into a portable package, perfect for mobile welding applications. To make it more convenient, consider using suitably sized shower curtain clips instead of zap straps. About 16 clips should do the trick. Stay safe and efficient with welding curtains. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. And if you want to see more, please subscribe and ring that bell so you're the first one to be notified when a new video comes out.